students, how are you all? I think you are all well with the grace of Allah. Welcome to NIEA Summer School. I am Mohammad Ali Muleku and I teacher of Mathematics National University. Students, today I will take a hard class from class 9. The students of this topic is our today's topic is exercise 8.2, question number 8, 10 and 11. We will solve 3 questions today. Okay, your lecture number is 31 and you have a homework. Your homework number is 24 for the half yearly examination. The students, now let's start our class. Our first question is question number 8 from exercise 8.2. If cos theta minus sin theta, that's equal to square root of 2 sin theta, then prove that cos theta plus sin theta, that's equal to square root of cos theta. So given information is what? Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to square root of 2 sin theta. So write it down. Given that cos theta minus sin theta, that's equal to square root 2 sin theta. Now we should take square sign in the both of this side of this equation. Okay, so squaring both sides we will get what? Cos theta minus sin theta whole square, that's equal to square root of 2 sin theta whole square. Okay, writing down the squaring both sides, squaring both sides. Now if we form the formula of a minus b whole square, we'll get a square minus twice ab plus b square. So a square, a means here cos theta, right? So cos square theta minus twice ab, 2 into cos theta into sin theta. It is a and it is b as here. Okay, plus b square, b means sin theta, so sin square theta. Okay, sin square theta, a square minus twice ab plus b square. In the right side we have square root of 2 sin whole square, that means square root of 2 is square, that means this is square root and this is square will be cut it down, is 2 will remain here, 2 sin square theta it will be. Okay, sin theta has a square, so sin square theta. Now we can transfer this 2 sin square theta in the left side of this equation. Okay, so write it down. It's cos square theta minus twice cos theta sin theta plus sin square theta, it is minus, it will be minus 2 sin square theta, that's equal to 1, because if we transfer this expression in the left side of this equation, then this minus this 2 sin square theta will take the minus sign, because 2 sin square theta had before plus sign, so it will take a minus sign. Okay, now my dear students, we can subtract 2 sin square theta from sin square theta, we will get minus sin square theta. Okay, 1 minus 2, it will be minus 1, so minus sin square theta will be remain. Cos square theta minus 2 cos theta sin theta, it will be minus sin square theta. Okay, because if we subtract 2 sin square theta from sin square theta, we will get minus sin square theta, that's equal to 0. Or now we can transfer this minus 2 cos theta sin theta in the right side, we will get a plus sign before this one. Okay, so in the left side we have now cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta, and we are going to transfer this one, this expression in the right side, we will get 2 cos theta sin theta in the right side. Okay, 2 cos theta sin theta. Now we will form another formula, it's a square minus b square. The formula of a square minus b square equal to what? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a here is cos theta, a plus b, b here is sin theta, a plus b into a minus b, sin theta, sorry, it's cos theta minus sin theta, it's cos theta minus sin theta. It's a square minus b square, that means a plus b into a minus b. Okay, in the right side we have 2 cos theta sin theta remain unchanged. Okay. Now my dear students, look, we have given that cos theta minus sin theta equal to square root 2 sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta equal to square root 2 sin theta is given. So we can put the value of cos theta minus sin theta equal to this one in this expression here. Okay. Write down is cos theta plus sin theta. In this position we can write down 2 root 2 sin theta because this values is given in the quotient. 2 cos theta sin theta remain unchanged in the right side. We can write down the note such that it's cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay. Now my dear students, it's very simple. We need to transfer this one into the right side because we are going to prove cos theta plus sin theta. Look at the question. We are going to prove cos theta plus sin theta. So we need cos theta plus sin theta in the left side. So we will remain this one in the left side and the other one we should transfer in the right side. Okay. So cos theta plus sin theta has multiplied with 2 root 2 cos sin theta. So root 2 sin theta will be transferred in the right side. Now look my dear student, it's cos theta plus sin theta remain in the left side. That's equal to 2 cos theta sin theta in the right side we had, and it will be divided because it had before multiply sign. If we transfer this on the right side, it will be division. Okay, root 2 sin theta will be divided by this expression. Okay, now it's a simple division my dear students. Is left side is cos theta plus sin theta, that's equal to what? This sin theta and this sin theta will be omitted, and the students root 2 and 2 do rough here. 2 means what? 2 equal to root 2 multiply with root 2. So this expression is what? 2 means root 2 root 2. Okay, and we have root 2 as our denominator. Now we can cut it down, we will remain 2. That means 2 divided by root 2 will be root 2. So it will be root 2 is remain here and cos theta is remain here. This is our proof. Okay, cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. This is required proof. You can write down proved here. Okay, you can write down proved. I hope you have understood how to got the solution. Now we are going to solve question number 9. My dear students, question number 10. Question number 10 is if tan theta plus sec theta is equal to x, then find the value of sin theta equal to x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1. Okay, we are going to prove sin theta equal to x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 from this given expression. To solve this one, I am going to erase the question number 8. Okay. Now solution of question number 10, it's so easy. Is given that is tan theta plus sec theta, that's equal to x. Okay, we need to transfer these ratios, this trigonometric ratio into the sin theta and cos theta. Okay, because this given is tan and sec, we need to convert this tan and sec into sin and cos. We know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. We know this by the previous class. You know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, and sec theta equal to what? Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta, that's equal to x. Okay, now add these two expressions. We'll get what? We will get cos theta as our denominator. Our numerator will be sin theta plus 1, that's equal to x. Okay, now squaring both sides, we will get what? We need to square both sides because in the proof we need to find the value of sin theta, and the sin theta value is x square minus 1. So we need x square. That's why we are squaring both sides in this expression. Okay, in this equation we need to square in the both sides because we need x square. That's why I am squaring here. Okay, it's sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta, its whole square, that's equal to x square. Write down squaring both sides. squaring both sides. Now if we square both sides, the numerator will be sin theta plus 1 whole square and denominator will be cos square theta. Cos square theta. Okay, that's equal to right side is x square. Now dear students, it's very simple. We know the formula. We know the formula of sin square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this relationship, we can find out the value of cos square theta. Cos square theta equal to what? Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So cos square theta equal to what? 1 minus sin square theta. We will put this value here because we have numerator as sin theta. That's why we are converting cos theta into the sin theta. It will be easier. Okay. So the numerator will remain unchanged, sin theta plus 1 whole square, and denominator will be as 1 minus sin square theta because cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That's equal to x square in the right side. Okay. Now my dear students, we will form another formula here. We have 1 minus sin square theta. That means 1 means 1 square, sin square means sin square theta. So it's a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to what? We know the formula. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we will write down the formula here. The numerator remain unchanged is sin theta plus 1 whole square division with a minus b whole a square minus b square. That means a plus b. A means 1, a plus b, b means sin theta. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. It's a minus b. Okay, that's equal to x square in the right side. Now dear students, we can write down sin theta plus 1 whole square. That means what? Look, we know that x square equal to what? X square equal to x multiplication with x. That means 2x here because this power is 2. X multiplied with x is the x square. So sin theta plus 1 whole square. That means sin theta plus 1 into sin theta plus 1. Okay, this means sin theta plus 1, sin theta plus 1. This means sin theta plus 1 whole square. Okay, we need to break this down because we have 1 plus sin theta as our denominator. We can arrange this. 1 plus sin theta, we can write down sin theta plus 1. Sin theta plus 1. Okay, and this is 1 minus sin theta. That's equal to x square in the right side. Now my dear students, we can cut it down. The sin theta plus 1 is denominator and numerator. We can cut it down. Now we can get what? We can get a sin theta plus 1 divided by 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta, that's equal to x square. Now we can transfer this denominator into the right side. This denominator is divided with this numerator, so it will be multiplied. Okay, in the right side when we write down. My dear students, I'm going to the right side because we have no space here. Implies that we can write down sin theta plus 1, that's equal to x square into multiply with 1 minus sin theta. Okay, 1 minus sin theta. Now it's a simple multiplication. Multiply in the right side. In the left side we have sin theta plus 1 remain unchanged. Now x square multiply with 1, it's x square. X square is also multiplied with minus sin theta. So it will be minus x square sin theta. Okay. Now my dear students, we need to find out the value of sin theta. Okay, so the sin theta term will be transferred into the left side and all the other terms will be transferred into the right side. We will get what? It's sin theta. We need to transfer this minus x square sin theta in the left side. We will have plus x square sin theta, right? Now that's equal to x square, and this one need to transfer into the right side. This one has plus sign before, it will be a minus sign in front of 1. Okay, now we need to take sin theta as common. If we take sin theta as common, we'll get what? We'll get 1 here plus x square here. Okay, that's equal to x square minus 1. My dear students, now we can find out the value of sin theta. Sin theta equal to what? Sin theta equal to, we need to transfer this 1 plus x into the right side. This 1 plus x is multiplied with sin theta before, so it will be division with x square minus 1. X square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Now we have get already sin theta's value. The sin theta's value is what? x square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square, but we need x square plus 1 as our denominator. We can exchange these two positions, no problem. It's x square minus 1, that's division with x square plus 1. This is our required solution. This is the required value of sine theta. Okay, so we can write down showed here or proved. Okay, now my dear students, I think you have understood how to solve the sine theta's value. Now the last solution is so simple. The last solution is question number 11. If a cos theta minus b sin theta, that's equal to c, then find the value of a sin theta plus b cos theta, that's equal to plus minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. We need to find out this value and given this one. Okay, so to solve this one, I am going to erase this one at first. Then we are solving question number 11. The students, question number 11 is given that it's a cos theta minus b sin theta, that's equal to c. These values is given. Okay, and we need to prove that a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to this one. So here a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square, that's equal to what? But students, we need to prove plus minus square root. That's why at first I have taken in the left side is square. Okay, here a plus b whole square, we can assume this one as a, this one as b. So we can write down a square plus twice ab plus b square. A square means a square sin square theta plus twice ab 2a sin theta into b cos theta plus this one is as b, so we can write down b square, that means b square cos square theta. It is a plus b whole square, that means a square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, that's equal to what? That's equal to, we can write down, my dear students, look very carefully. We can write down the formula of sin square theta and the cos square theta's value. We know the formula of sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this formula we can write down the value of sin square theta. Okay, so sin square theta equal to what? Sin square theta will be 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so write it down, a square into 1 minus cos square theta. The value of sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Got it? Okay, now it's 2a into b sin theta cos theta, plus b square cos square theta. The value of cos square theta is what? From this equation, from this formula, we can write down cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So write down, it will be 1 minus sin square theta. Now multiply this a with this one and this b square with this one. Okay, a square multiply with 1, that's equal to a square. A square multiply with minus cos square theta, it will be minus a square cos square theta. Okay, plus twice ab sin theta cos theta remain unchanged, plus b is multiplied with 1, it will be plus b square. B square is multiplied with minus sin square theta, it will be minus b square sin square theta. Okay, now arrange these, a square plus b square minus a square cos square theta plus twice ab sin theta cos theta minus b square sin square theta. Okay, now the students, it's a square plus b square remain unchanged. Take minus as common, take minus sign as common, we will take a bracket sign. Okay, all the sign will be changed. It will be a square cos square theta had minus sign, so it will be plus sign. Okay, a square cos square theta, this will be minus sign because we have taken already minus sign as common, minus twice ab sin theta cos theta, it will be plus sign because we have taken minus sign as common, is plus b square sin square theta. Now we can create the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square. The formula of a square minus twice ab plus b square equal to what? Equal to a minus b whole square. A means a cos theta, a minus b means it's b sin theta. Sin theta, okay? A minus b whole square, okay? I think you have understood. This is the formula, a square minus twice ab plus b square. So it is as a, it is as b, a minus b whole square. Now my dear students, our given value of a cos theta minus b sin theta equal to what? Look, a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to c is given. So this values is c minus it's c and square, it will be square. Okay. Now if have find out the value of a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square's value is a square plus b square minus c square. Write it down. Therefore, it's a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square. That's equal to a square plus b square minus c square. We need to find out this value only. No need this square in the left side. Therefore, we can write down imply that a sin theta plus b cos theta, that's equal to what? Plus minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. This is our required proof. We need to prove this one. A sin theta plus b cos theta, that's equal to plus minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. How we can get? By taking square root in the both side. By taking square root in the both side, we will get this one. So write it down by taking square root in both sides. Okay, and you can write down proved here, because this is our required proved. Okay, I think you have understood, my students. It's very simple calculation. Okay, and you have a homework for this class. Your homework number is 24 and your homework is question number 9 from exercise 8.2. okay, do this HW properly and submit. You can submit your HW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.